This is my Pandora Fireworks Clasp Bangle. We went to Pandora and I got this Pandora Fireworks Clasp Bangle on August 14th, 2021. And I also got the Beaded Starfish charm on the same day. It's really pretty. And on the bracelet, the Pandora Bangle bracelet, it comes engraved. It says, "The best is yet to come." I love charms. I love bracelets. I will purchase more charms and more bangles and more Pandora bracelets. And as I do, I'll do more vlogs and let you see my collection as I add to it. It's really pretty. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button.